How to determine subprocess.Popen failed when shell equals true. Windows version of Python 2.6.4. Is there any way to determine if subprocess.Popen fails when using shell equals true? Popen successfully fails when shell equals false. But when shell equals true, there appears to be no way to determine if a Popen call was successful or not. Ideas appreciated. Regards, Malcolm.
Return code will work, although it will be none until you've called p.poll. Poll itself will return the error code, so you can just do in the first case it fails to start, in the second, it successfully starts shell which, in turn, fails to execute the application. So your process has been properly spawned, exited and waits for you to inquire about its exit code. So, the thing is, unless your shell or environment, for example no memory, is utterly broken there's no way Popen itself may fail. So, you can safely .poll and .wait on it to get all the sad news.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.